Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm gonna show you a soft brown winged liner eye makeup look, which I think you can wear all year around. This eye look is kind of dedicated to people that don't really wear a lot of eyeshadow through the year, but want to do something a little bit more extra, but not too crazy, not too complicated for the holidays. So hopefully this video can teach you how to achieve this eye look on your own eyes as well. Now for this video, I'm using kind of like neutral tones because it's more a saver kind of shade tone for people that don't really wear a lot of makeup. You can't go really wrong with brown eyeshadow, and it's also one of my favorite colors when it comes to eyeshadow. Now for this video, I'm going to use this palette by Buxom Cosmetics in collaboration with Ash. Absolutely love her. She's a makeup artist. I follow her on Instagram. Love her work. So I wanted to use this palette today since it also contains like a lot of neutral, beautiful colors. It also contains a little bit more glam shade. So if you guys want me to do a little bit more of a dramatic look with this, I could definitely do that as well. Just let me know in the comments if you want to see another video where I use it. So I started with this kind of like light yellowy, orangey, mustardy shade. Started blending a little bit of that in the inner portion of the eyelid, just kind of like tapping it on and then sweeping my brush back and forth, making circular motions, but really focusing at the inner corner part. So I'm gonna work with 3 shades. So this shade in this area that I'm applying the eyeshadow right now, then a shade which is slightly darker than this one in the middle part of the eyelid, and then a darker shade at the outer part of the eyelid. So I'm just gonna work with 3 shades. So now I'm taking the color Teddy, and that's the shade that I'm gonna blend in the middle part. So first I blended a little bit of that in the center of the crease, and then I picked up more of the eyeshadow and also swept that product on the eyelid. Now you could see like a higher contrast in color if I would have used a even lighter shade in the inner corner. The palette didn't really have a shade which was a lot lighter, so the first and the second shade might look a little bit similar, but at the end of the video, when you see the end result, you're gonna see more of the gradient going from light to dark. So now I'm going in with this dark brown shade, again doing the same thing, kind of like packing on the product and also making circular motions and just sweeping my brush back and forth. I'm not too precise with this, I just make sure I don't blend it like too far like away from my eyelid, just focusing in the outer V portion and kind of trying to make a round shape. If you're doing this and you feel like the shape or like the eyeshadow around the corners of your outer V is not really looking well, that's no problem. You can always go in with a little bit of concealer on a blending brush and kind of sweep it around the edges. This is gonna kind of like make it look more softer and a little bit more defined. So don't worry if you struggle with this, you can fix that. Just use the tiniest bit of concealer on your brush and just softly blend it right underneath the edges. So I just continue to blend and blend until I'm satisfied with how everything is looking. If you're following along with this video, you could always go in with a little bit more to make it even more intense. So now I went in with a clean brush, just blending around the edges to make sure that everything looks a little bit more softly blended. Again, go in with this dark brown color and now focusing on the lower lash line. I'm gonna drag this all the way underneath the lower lash line, taking a flat definer brush. This one is by Sigma Beauty. I have a discount code in the description bar, which you can use if you want a little bit of discount on Sigma. And then I went in with this bronzy color and used that right underneath the lower lash line on top of that brown color and just blended this to make everything look more soft, and it just adds a little bit of that bronzy sparkle and shimmer, which is really pretty. I love shades like this. I think that color is so stunning. So then I went in with the color Living and popped a little bit of that in the inner corner. I thought that was so pretty, so I decided to blend it a bit higher up as well, kind of going towards the eyelid where I first used that first color I went in with. So now I'm going in with this eyeliner, which is by Heroline Cosmetics. Really nice eyeliner with a nice precise point, which is so easy to use. So I'm going for a winged liner today because I personally love a winged liner. if you have hooded eyes, or you struggle with your eyeliner, or you basically don't want to do like a wing liner, of course you can skip this step and go to the next step, which is gonna be pencil in the waterline. You don't have to do eyeliner if you don't like it, or if you just don't want to do it. But I do think it's really pretty. It always makes my eyes look so different. I just love the effect that eyeliner gives. But again, if you don't like it, you can skip this and just go right to the next step. So I went for a wing liner because I personally love a wing liner. I just feel like it makes my eyes look more like a different shape. It just kind of gives my whole face kind of a different vibe, which I really like. If you would only apply a line above the lash line, I always feel like it makes your eyes look a little bit rounder, which is also really pretty. But I personally prefer a wing liner. But sometimes I make videos where I only do a line above the lash line, which is really nice as well, and it just saves a little bit more time. You know, creating that wing liner is always a little bit more time consuming and sometimes it goes wrong. And even I feel like a lot of people see me as a professional, like that always has their makeup perfect. Well, I also still struggle with like getting my eyeliner perfect at both eyes. Like I can do eyeliner perfect at one eye, but like to get it equal at both sides, it's just a struggle, even for me, guys. Don't worry, I don't do it perfect either. So I'm just busy filling in that eyeliner. Love how black the eyeliner is, and it's just really easy to use. I love using eyeliners like this where it's just a pen with a really precise point. It's just so easy to use. Lately, I've just really been into this. I also like using like a gel eyeliner, and then on top of that using like a liquid eyeliner. I feel like it makes your eyeliner super black. But you have to use two products, and this is one product, which is so much easier. So I used the pencil in the waterline. I used the soft brown pencil from Makeup by Mario, which is one of my favorite pencils at the moment. Such a beautiful warm brown color. I will link it down in the description bar together with all the other products I used today. So I went in with a lash curler, and then I went in with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is my favorite mascara. It's so good. I have been recommending to everyone. I just really like it, even though it's really personal. Like for me, it can work really nicely, but maybe for your eyes it doesn't. Like it's still personal, but I have only heard good reviews on it, and I still think it's one of my favorites. So I'm going in with some falsies. I used my Annytude Puffy lashes, which are just really natural looking lashes, really fluffy, wispy, just not too dramatic. You could go only in with mascara if you're recreating this, or you can pop on some lashes, or maybe even more dramatic lashes, which will be really pretty as well. But I just wanted to keep it a little bit more on the soft side for today's makeup look. So after like applying the lashes, I just kind of use my finger to press my own natural lashes against the fake lashes, and then I went in with a lash curler and I kind of squeezed my own like natural lashes against the fake lashes, and this way it just looks really natural. You can't really see like the difference between the fake lashes and my own natural lashes. So yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you liked the video, if you're gonna try it out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And also let me know if you want me to do another video using this palette, because it contains a lot of beautiful colors, so I could definitely do more of a dramatic look using it as well. But let me know in the comments, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going